Welcome to 632 Sandhurst Place in Aiken, South Carolina. This home offers 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and it's over 2,600 square feet.
Some of my favorite features about this home is the open living areas, the abundance of hardwood floors throughout, and the natural lighting this home offers. It's superb.
Take a look at this spacious master bedroom, and now I'm going to take you to my favorite feature of this house, the renovated bathroom. This bathroom has been beautifully renovated. Look at this gorgeous granite countertop, the walk-in shower, a nice large soak-in tub that has a picturesque view of the lush grounds. Take a look at this beautiful kitchen that offers lots of natural lighting, beautiful countertops, and lots of cabinetry.
This home offers over 1.2 acres in the heart of Aiken, and it also backs up to a creek, and if you're real quiet, you can hear the water flowing.
Now follow me downstairs so you can see the extra features this home has to offer. Welcome downstairs. Here is the large family room with a fireplace, and it has access to the large screen porch. Also, there are 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom down here. Now to the best feature of this house. Location, location, location. This home is located in a cul-de-sac section within walking distance to Hopelands Gardens, close to Hitchcock Woods in downtown Aiken. This is the place that you will want to be and call your home. Enjoyed all the wonderful features this home has to offer. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channels to keep up to date with our videos.